guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. I have missed y'all so much. I didn't intend on taking a break this long, but my life has just been so busy. All that to say, I feel like I've neglected a lot of the hobbies and things that I like to do, like gaming or just self-care in general. So today's vlog is going to be specifically devoted to that. I recently celebrated my birthday and I got a new Lego set that I've been dying to do, so I figured we'll do that today. Just a lot of things that I have been wanting to do for the past couple weeks that I haven't been able to do, we're doing today. So first things first, I'm actually going to go to the gym and get a little bit of movement in. It's going to be a cozy vlog just like always. It actually looks like it's about to rain soon, so I'm very excited. Go ahead and grab a blanket, a snack, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the vlog. Just got back from the gym and it was such a good workout. So now I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and go meet my friend at Barnes & Noble so we can just browse the books, get some coffee. I feel like Barnes & Noble on a rainy day is just perfect. I don't know why I'm so late to discover this primer, but I love this primer, especially because I have dry skin and I feel like it helps the makeup just stick better. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Lightform foundation. And then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is the new one that just came out. I think it's called We're Even. If you have dry skin like me, I think you'll really like it because it is very hydrating. I'm gonna set under my eyes with my Fit Me powder. And then I'm gonna go in and use my Too Faced bronzer. Then I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Boy Brow and Brow Flick. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush. This is Toasted Almond by Black Radiance. And then lastly, I'm gonna show you my favorite lip combo that I've been doing lately. I know it's so little, but this is ColourPop's Lip Liner in BFF3. And then I go in with the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. This is in the color Jam Session. I have been loving this so much. I think I wear this combo probably every day. So this is the final look. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I just go for something super natural. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and go meet my friend at Barnes & Noble. Okay, y'all, I'm finally back home. I had such a fun time out with my friend today. So I'm ready to get started with all the fun, cozy hobbies. My birthday was last week and I got a new Lego set. Y'all, please look at this. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited to do this. I love Animal Crossing so much. Yeah, I'm just excited. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So much fun building that Lego set. I'm getting ready to wind down for the rest of the night. I think I'm gonna make me a little snack and play some Animal Crossing. I actually just recently restarted my island and I've been having so much fun with it again. So I think that would be perfect to wind down. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.